Hi everyone, welcome back to Playing With Your Food. You know, sometimes when you're writing an episode of something, whether it's for the internet or TV or otherwise, you can get stuck. You don't know what to write about, you get writer's block. So you look around at your surroundings, try to find some inspiration, maybe a poster on the wall or something outside the window. And even that doesn't work. You get stuck in a pit, and you don't know what to do. And it's at that time, when you're at your lowest, when you gotta look inside, you find that part of you inside that was there all along, that knew exactly what you should write about. And I think today, that's exactly who I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask that inner part of myself, that true part of my personality, and see what they think about what I should write. So, inner me, do you think I should write some big expose chronicling the history of food and the crisis that we face in countries where people can't even eat? I guess I could see what's in the fridge right now. Whatever. Loser. I'm all out of purple stuff. Aha! Nice! Hey, I got a extra McDonald's snack wrap in here. Can I do a review of it or something? Cool, thanks. The show is getting weird. McDonald's has existed for a long time, like almost 1,000 years or something. That sounds familiar. And since rising to dominance as one of the world's leading purveyors of fast food, they've come up with some pretty interesting ways of keeping their over 99 billion customers excited about their food. I mean, you can't just eat plain old burgers for your entire life. Well, I guess you could, but I don't recommend it. The geniuses in McDonald's idea department have envisioned all sorts of varieties of fast food over the years, from the simple to the extravagant. There's the filet of fish, the McDLT, the Angus Deluxe, the Anus Deluxe. Don't get that one. Along with dozens of other timeless treats. There are also region-specific sandwiches that you can only get in other countries. Why, you can get a bulgogi burger while visiting a McDonald's in South Korea if you like. But that would require you knowing what bulgogi is, and well, that's for a later episode. But in 2006, they came out with their most brilliant idea yet. One that would allow them to waste less and rake in the big bucks. That idea was the snack wrap. In what was to become the benchmark for quick and easy food, and an idea that would be copied by several other fast food chains, someone got the idea of taking the extra remains of the fried chicken cutlets and sticking them in a wrap. You couldn't put these pieces onto a bun, so why not wrap them up with lettuce, cheese, and the customer's choice of sauce? Yes! What a great idea. And I love these things. They're cheap, delicious, and they're really quick. And for questions they got in between meals, when you don't want to spoil your appetite like I'm really like, You're follow too long, and move everything awkward. If McDonald's is known for anything besides their chicken and their horrifying mascot,
Ronald McGoddamn Donald!
They're known for their burgers. So how can we join this love of burgers with the convenience and trendiness of wraps? Simple. Stick the Big Mac in a wrap. Wait, what? It's true. They actually did it. This is the Mac snack wrap. It's a snack wrap with a Big Mac inside. And it's still tasty. I can only imagine what it looks like on the inside, though. I pondered how on earth such a thing could have come to fruition. At first I thought maybe if someone in the back drops a patty, they just stick it in a wrap. But the demand is too high for them to be dropping so many burgers on purpose. Then I thought maybe they've got the corpse of the Grimace in the back, and they're slowly dividing them up into wrap-sized pieces. But then I remembered, nothing can kill the Grimace.
I hunger.
So I decided to conduct some tests of my own. I don't know. I'm getting protein readings, so must have been alive at some point. You know, it's almost insectoid in nature.
Looking for bail.
Ugh. And the final test results? Inconclusive. Well, what were you expecting? I'm just some schmuck in his living room talking to a camera about food. My final analysis on the Mac Snack Wrap: they're yummy, and I recommend them. Just don't be too curious about what's on the inside. Thanks for watching Playing With Your Food. I'll see you next time.
Cut.
Oh, that was a good episode. Now I'm getting kind of hungry.
Sorry, Chris, I'm really late, but I had to get something from McDonald's. Chris? Chris?
It's okay.
Burgers is all we have in mind. We cook the best taste buds in mind. Now put it on the tray, is it for here or to go? Any which way it tastes good, you know. Cook those burgers, tons of patty over.
Cook those burgers, turn a patty over.
And cut the lettuce, don't forget the cheese.
Cut the lettuce, don't forget the cheese.
Toast the buns, French the fries.
Toast the buns,
come on,
French
and
fries.
bring on the ketchup, sweet the floors.
When you want to catch up, sweet the floors.
Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Now go serve those burgers right now.
All right, I'm off to a good start.
That idea was poorly executed.